All right, welcome to South Carolina again. Summer camp is now in session. We are at the Green River Preserves. Last time I did this was in the wintertime. So we're gonna go ahead and hit this. It's been raining a little bit, so the dirt road's gonna be a little bit moist. All right. Nice and cool out. Feels really super good here today. I was riding earlier, and where I was riding, it was just so humid. It was unbelievably humid. The road feels great today. Oh, got some good rocks in it. All right. Ooh, it's a nice road. Got some jumps to it and some bumps. All right. All right. Oh, gotta be careful on the gravel road. Whoa. It's beautiful. The foliage is now in full bloom. A lot better feeling up here than it was. Whoa, a little muddy and sandy there. It must have dropped down into the 70s. Actually a little nippy out. It's about 88 degrees today, but it's not 88 up here, that's for sure. Some guy was excited about the unicycle. Give me a fist shake outside his vehicle there. Love dirt roads. It's a nice little ride. Oh, that was a good little bounce there. Well, I've been holding off on the master. Hopefully they do a few fixes on it, make it a little bit more reliable wheel. I've had a cutout before on my wife's wheel. The last thing I want to be doing is 40, 45 miles an hour and have a cut off on that master. That would not be a good deal. Awesome. yourself on these dirt roads. Gorgeous out here today. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. It's beautiful. Slowing it down a little bit. Oh shit. For the chase vehicle. It's my buddy back there driving my truck with my nephew in it. I always have somebody close by when I'm doing this stuff. It's important. There's no telling what you're gonna hit or how you're gonna land. Last thing you wanna do is be laying out in the woods by yourself on a unicycle. I am geared up all the way today. Chest protector, elbow guards, got knee pads in the pants, full face helmet, and enjoying the heck out of the day. Whew. The jump pads are holding very well. I did move the jump pads, so they are definitely doing their job today. They're holding me on. Super tight fit. I got just a little bit of play on my heels. I'm running about 36 pounds of pressure. That's a little bit wet there. Yeah, so I'm about 36 pounds of PSI on the dirt road. It's kind of like my sweet spot, I feel. Just stop and let you guys see the creeks every once in a while. It's beautiful up here. There we go. Look at that. It's beautiful down out here. We should be coming up on the camp here pretty soon. Good speed on there. Whoa. A double little jump I had to jump there. Green River Preserves. All right. And beautiful purple flowers on the side there. All right, here we go. Get our roll back on here. Oh, nice bump. Oh! Yeah, I think I'll jump them instead of go through them. after the rain, evidently, it makes this thing look like it's asphalt. It's nice and smooth. It's not as rough as it was the time before that I ran it, but it's nice. It's definitely nice. There we go. Look at that. All the flowers are blooming. Green River Preserve. Check that out. Beautiful run. Beautiful run. All right. Woohoo! That was awesome. Check it out. We're at the top. Whew. The Green River Preserve. It's a good run. Peace out.